So we just ordered Domino's. This is the self-driving car that everyone kind of gave me some trouble about a couple weeks back, saying you should have recorded it. But yeah, so we're gonna record it tonight. Johnny's gonna grab the pizza out of this cool little car. But yeah, he should be here in a second. And here comes our car. It's kind of neat because it goes, supposedly goes the speed limit of the community. We shall see. It's one of the only cars that stops at this stop sign right here. Yep, this is it. So Johnny has texted a code to kind of get the pizza out of here, which we love. So here's it turning in. Oh, it gets so scary. But it pulls up. Johnny just pulls up to the iPad, punches in his code. Yes!
You got it.
And so he gets his pizza.
The heatwave container is open. You can safely remove your order now.
Pretty cool. Yes, you can safely remove it. Yay! Pretty cool. Awesome job, Domino's.
Domino's self-driving delivery vehicle.
And they say thank you.
Please stand clear. We're closing up and taking off.
Awesome job.
That's hilarious.
Sweet. Have a good time.